Gusto ko lang talakayin to, yung general terminology. General po hindi lang tungkol kay Carlos Yulo at tungkol sa kanyang ina. Alam ko po na may mga magulang din na nanonood sa atin ngayon na medyo possessive possessive sa ating mga anak. Feeling mo inaagaw sa iyo yung anak mo di ba?
It's not true that the reason is why some parents not wanting that their child will have partner in life as because of being possessive. It is because of selfishness or not in readiness yet, whether it losing their presence or in support that was being hoped. We cannot deny that some parents really needs their children help us. That is why they are striving to let their child or children to be successful. Some are out of the rightful reasons. Others, whether they will be helped by their children or not.
Tungkol sa una sa obligasyon muna ng magulang, Obligasyon ng magulang. Alam nyo, tayo pong mga magulang ang may obligasyon sa ating mga anak. Opo, tayo po ang nananagot bilang mga magulang na mag-provide para po sa ating mga anak. Di ba? Obligasyon din natin kung maaari nga ibigay yung extra pa nilang pangangailangan basta tiyakin na hindi po natin nai-spoiled yung ating mga anak. Di ba? Yung hindi makasasama sa kanila. Gusto po natin yun. Di ba ganun ang gusto nating mga magulang? Kasama po sa ating obligasyon, natuturuan po natin yung ating mga anak. Ano po yung ituturo natin? Kabutihan, pagiging mabuti sa kapwa, para pagka sila na lang, marunong silang, kaya nila na tumayo sa sarili nilang paa, na hindi sila nang aapi ng kapwa. Ngayon, yung tanong na, obligasyon ba ng mga anak na mag-provide sa mga magulang? Obligasyon ba? Wala naman pong masama doon. Wala naman pong masama doon na kumalinga at tumanaw ng utang na loob. Wala pong masama yun. Biblical nga din po yun. Hindi po ba? Pero, hindi po obligasyong magbayad. Hindi natin investment yung ating mga anak. Hindi natin investment yung ating mga anak. Pero kapag naturuan naman natin sila, kahit na hindi nila obligasyon at dumating ang panahon na tayo umabot na sa ating katandaan, ang ating mga anak, kusa tayong kakalingain. Mga kababayan. Tandaan ninyo, ang mga anak na gumagalang sa magulang, hindi lang gumagalang, sumusunod, nagmamahal sa magulang, pagpapalain ng Panginoon Diyos.
Better a golden words of advice, but let me correct such errors. First error, to the Iglesia of Manalos, not oppressing others. Do they not judge in their own hand? Are the laws in their hands? Do they not kill? Do they not talk bad against the other religion, especially to the religion of the state? Do they not oppress the channel too? Do they not sue those who have no fault against them? Like about the one who said Culito, 100%, it's a love and obligation of the children to help or support their parents, and it is the law of God and Lord Jesus. So meaning, all these are both love and obligations of the parents and children. It is not good why all be heard is to consider it as a gratitude, for that words is not applicable to both parents and the children, although it's applicable to the others. That's right, children are not investment, because love and obligations are not about investment. Considering them as investment, the words of Jesus about truly I tell you, they have received their reward in full, as that reward's not from God, but from hypocrites, or even from God's words. Ultra, it's not bad to hope for their love. Love is broad.
Kung ako tatanungin niyo, kung pwede, wag na munang magpa-interview yung nanay ni Carlos Yulo. Kung ako tatanungin. Opo, magkakaintindihan po sila kasi magulang anak yan Pamilya sila Pagka nag-usap-usap sila na walang nakikialam, magkakaintindihan niya. Isang usapan lang yan, magkakasama, magyakapan, mag-usap ng malalis na sila, magkakaintindihan po yan mga kababayan. Huwag naman na magpa-interview. At alam mo, natutuwa ka kay Carlos Yulo, mga kababayan, kung ano matutuwa, hindi po siya nagsasalita ng masama laban sa kanyang mga magulang.
That's right, she must not accept such interviews, for almost all of those are Lucifer's way. If it could not be solved by the families alone, it indeed needs others' interventions or advice but not publicly. That's true. I also sense that Carlos Yulo is not bad. He was just really hurt by such words of his mother, likely those that she spoken publicly. Carlos Yulo just letting his hurt feeling to subside first. But those Lucifer's instruments trying to destroy Carlos Yulo's heart and mind. But Carlos Yulo just remained firm and calm.
Bubwisit ako kapag may nakikita ko sa social media, ang topic, obligasyon ba ng mga anak? Nagantihan ng kanilang gusto kong sampalin yung mga host? Hindi dapat topic yon. Hindi dapat pinag-uusapan yon. Nakita niyo sabi ni San Pablo sa ating ikalawang pagbasa, kung sinong meron, siya magbigay sa wala. Hindi lang pera ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, lakas, enerhiya, sigla. Lahat yan binuhos ng mga magulang mo sa'yo. Kaya sila naubos, nawalan. Kaya ka nagkaroon. Baka po pwedeng habang sila naman ang nawawalan, tumatanda na, wala ng negosyo, wala ng trabaho. Ikaw naman, hindi ko sinasabing todo bigay, hindi. Ang sinasabi ko, huwag mo kakalimutan. Mag-alaga tayo ng buhay. At kung maaalagaan natin ang buhay ng iba, huwag mong kakalimutan ang nagbigay sa iyo ng buhay.
Father is just mistaken. Everyone has a right to opinion, whether it's right or wrong, but not everyone has a right to teach. So if you have something to be explained, so it is a topic, and it's not right for a preacher or servants of God and Lord Jesus to say, I am retro-annoyed, or entabla nabi bwesit. If I heard anyone asking is a children obligation to repay their parents, I feel I want to spank them, like if you are in the mass or congregation. Every servants of God must be slow to become angry, and it is bad for them also to hear it right away. Paul is not just referring to those who only has, but it's obligation of anyone to do away our ways if someone needs help. Yes, that's right, many parents lost everything, material or strength just to make their children be successful, but not all parents. It's not true that to help parents is not all the way. For a help to them with limit is not a help, meaning help as if until you could. That's right, if you care for the others, don't forget someone is why you are and where you are. The others are in a manners to like or love the others more than the parents or their kids. Although it's about the partner in life, it could be same as to the parents, but not lesser. It could even be much more than the partner in life.